God's unique plan for world renewal. Seventh lesson. Easy Raj Yoga. Many kinds of yoga are famous in the world. For example, Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Gyan Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Raj Yoga and so on. But among all these kinds of yoga, Easy Raj Yoga is the most elevated. Yoga means connection or meeting. Nowadays, by saying yoga, people derive the meaning as physical yogasan, pranayam or hatha yoga. Yogasan means yogic postures. Pranayam means breathing exercises and hatha yoga means rigid physical exercises including breath control. Yogasan can help us achieve physical health and mental health to a certain extent, but complete happiness and peace can be achieved only through easy Raj Yoga. Raj Yoga means the yoga which makes us into the king of kings, or the yoga that is full of secrets. For many births, the human souls have been establishing relationship with perishable bodily beings by being stuck in the swamp of body consciousness. Just like by joining two copper wires, electricity passes through it, but it doesn't pass through the copper wires with rubber coating of body consciousness. Similarly, by having relationship with body conscious bodily beings, imperishable happiness and peace can't be attained. The Supreme Father Supreme Soul Shiv doesn't even call it yoga, but in simple words, he calls it yad, that is, remembrance. Remembering someone is a heartfelt, natural, easy and a constant process, whereas yoga gives the sense of making some special effort. Just like, despite living in the body, the Supreme Father Supreme Soul is detached by its consciousness, meaning, he remains videhi, meaning, without a body. Here, it means to remain detached from the body. Similarly, we should also remember the Supreme Father Supreme Soul through Prajapita Brahma by considering ourselves to be an imperishable soul and not a body made of the five elements of nature. Our eyes should look at Shiv Baba and not just Shav, that is, corpse, meaning the body. Thus, God should neither be remembered just in a corporeal form nor just in an incorporeal form. But after recognizing him properly, we should remember the incorporeal one who has entered the corporeal body of Arjun or Adam. This alone is the true Raj Yoga. By assimilating purity in the mind, speech, and actions, by having true affection for the Supreme Father Supreme Soul, by assimilating divine virtues and God's knowledge, by consuming true food and staying in the company of true Brahmins, the soul is liberated from the five vices, namely lust, anger, greed, attachment and ego, born from body consciousness, and it can become stable in its original form, that is, the form of being complete with all the virtues. The time of Amrit Vela, that is, early morning hours, or Brahm Muhurt, the time before dawn, from 1 am to 5 am is the best time to remember God. Because at that time, the atmosphere is serene and pure, and the mind is also alert and calm. Through the daily practice of Raj Yoga, the soul assimilates virtues like purity, peace, patience, fearlessness, and humility. Along with this, the soul receives the special eight powers: the power to wind up the expansion of wasteful thoughts, the power of tolerance, the power to assimilate, the power to discriminate between good and bad, the power to make proper decision, the power to face problems, the power to cooperate with human beings with different sanskars, and the power to withdraw the expansion, etc. Through the continuous practice of Raj Yoga with strong willpower, the soul can know the story of its beginning, middle, and end and its unique paths in many births in the world. It can also donate peace and happiness to the souls of the world while staying at home. In this way, we can bring about the transformation of the self as well as of the world simultaneously.